Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV joint on a Subaru Forester. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack stands, wrenches, sockets, and a torque wrench. Ensure you have a new CV axle assembly and fresh transmission fluid. Safety is paramount, so wear appropriate protective gear. Once prepared, safely lift your vehicle and secure it on jack stands, then remove the front wheel. Now, let's get to removing the old CV joint. Begin by unstaking and removing the large axle nut, which is often a 32mm size. Next, unbolt and secure the brake caliper and rotor out of the way. You'll then need to separate the ball joint and tie rod end from the steering knuckle. With these components loose, carefully pry the old axle shaft from the transmission or differential, being mindful of any seals. With the old axle removed, it's time for the new one. Before installation, ensure all mating surfaces are clean and free of debris. Carefully guide the new axle shaft into the transmission or differential, making sure it seats properly. You might need to rotate it slightly to align the splines. Once the axle is in place, reattach the ball joint, tie rod end, brake caliper, and rotor, securing all fasteners. For the final steps, it's crucial to torque all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. The front axle nut typically requires around 162 foot-pounds of torque. Reinstall your wheel, lower the vehicle, and then refill the transmission fluid to the correct level, checking for any leaks. Take your Subaru for a test drive to ensure everything feels right. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.